Hey, it's Tess, and I'm going to be talking about how swear words and swearing differs from culture to culture. Culture is the customary beliefs, social forms, and material traits of a racial, religious, or social group. Also, it's the characteristic features of everyday existence, such as diversions or a way of life shared by people in a time or place. In the world, there's tons of different cultures. Within these cultures, things differ such as languages and lifestyles. Words mean different things to people of different cultures. A word that Americans might see as innocent could potentially offend people from other places that have different languages or lifestyles than them, or vice versa. So if somebody from China said something that they thought could mean nothing or was totally innocent, maybe an American could take offense to that, or really anybody. For example, in the British culture, the word bloody is used as a swear word, and is said to be the equivalent of the American F word. Although, in America, we don't think anything of the word or use it in that way, or really at all. There are a lot of different American words that mean different things in different countries. Even though they might be spelled differently, they are pronounced the same or very similar. For example, peaches, although spelled like P-I-C with a little hook at the bottom of the C, in Turkish means bastard. Sick, spelt like S-I-K, means the F word in Turkish, and cookie, spelt like K-O-K-I, means small penis in Hungarian. Swear words that we use now in America derive from other cultures and places. Certain words have been made by the English, German, and a lot of other people, but the way we use them now is far off from what they were originally supposed to be. The old F word to now. The word is thought to come from the German or Dutch, and derived a bit earlier than the 1500s. In early times, it meant to strike rather than a cuss word or really anything else. The first examples of the word being in the English language was for places or street names, such as the example. The old shit word to now. It was first said by the Germanic and Scandinavian languages, making it one of our oldest words. It basically just meant diarrhea in a cow. There are other meanings for it that came from cities also. It was used to describe a grotty state of living in cities. The origins of words are actually very interesting. They come from places all over the world in all different languages, with some meanings that are so far off from what they are today. It's amazing to see how far they have come. And here's my works cited. Bye, thanks for watching.